Tired of Windows 11 telling you you're out of space when you know you should have plenty? Let's fix that. First, we need to open Disk Management. Click on the search bar in your taskbar and type in Disk Management. You should see Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions appear as the best match. Click on that to open Disk Management. Here, you'll see all your drives and their partitions. Let's say we want to extend our C drive. Click on your C drive to select it. Now, right-click on the C drive in the menu that pops up. Select Extend Volume. This will start the Extend Volume wizard. Click Next to continue. Here, you can specify how much space you want to add to the C drive. The wizard shows you the available and allocated space. Adjust select the amount of space in MB field to your desired size. Once you've chosen the size, click Next and then Finish. Windows will now extend the C drive. It may take a few moments. What if you want to shrink a partition? It's just as easy. Right-click on the partition you want to shrink, like a D drive with lots of free space, and select Shrink Volume. Windows will query the volume for available shrink space. Then, you'll see enter the amount of space to shrink in MB field. Enter the amount of space you want to take away from this partition. Click Shrink. Windows will then shrink the partition, creating an allocated space. Now you have full control to redistribute space as needed.